student. Today I shall discuss one of the important topic. The name of the topic is work done by teacher to encourage and motivate community, parents, alumni, etc. to contribute the school in any way by use infrastructure, remedial teaching, meditation or other social activities involving students. When we must be arranged, parents meet, alumni meet, then it increase the student and the student must be developed. Moreover, when alumni meet is to be conducted in our school, then all the students, all the ex-students are meet together. It develop the students their personal life. Moreover, in the remedial teaching also develop the students to better understanding in different topic. Therefore, I am involved in the remedial class to teach the students. Thank you to all my students.